Hello friends, today I would show you how to basically create a first build in Jenkins using EC2 Linux machine. So basically I have already provisioned the EC2 Linux machine, so I would use this where actually I would install Jenkins and Java and then finally create our first build. So let's get started. So I copied this IP address and now basically I use SSH. So basically, to get into that machine, so I would paste the URL. The default username is EC2 slash user, and go to advanced settings. Here, actually, I would use uh, in the desktop, maybe in the downloads. So basically, where I would search for the Jenkins, basically the key, so private key over here. So there we go. So I am into now Linux machine. So I switch to root user. So here actually I would install the Java into my Linux machine. So the Java is being installed into the machine. So once the Java get installed, we would verify the Java version and then update the Java path. So it's just take a few seconds to install Java. So now Java has been installed. Quickly we would verify the Java version. So the Java is 1.8.0. So now now basically what we are doing now, we are we are updating the bash profile file where we would update the Java path. Sorry. So here I would update the Java path. So guys, these are the basically a few steps. So if you want these steps, please put it on your comments, your email address, so that I can send you this. Okay. Some keys issues. So again I would copy from here, control copy over here. Now okay, here we go. Now just need to quit. Okay, so now the Java path has been updated. So now basically we would use the Jenkins repository. We would get the Jenkins repository and then finally install the Jenkins on this machine. Now, okay, the Jenkins repository have been installed. So now the next step is to import this. Okay, this key. Okay, finally we would install the Jenkins. So it's downloading. So I'm pausing it a video for now. So guys, the Jenkins has been installed. Now we would basically start the Jenkins service. Okay, so now I'll go to the browser. So this is the IP address. So I would copy over here. So guys, now we have got the Jenkins page loading up over here. So make sure that we follow the same steps um, so that we can basically get the installation. Without that, we are not able to install the Jenkins. So I just copy because it asks for the admin password. Again, I will go to this one and I will use. So this is the password for the admin in Jenkins. So I just copied it. Later on, we can change this password. So okay. So it's saying install suggested plugins. So let's click on the default option over here. So I'm basically pausing the video because it would take some time. So guys, basically, so basically now the settings has plugins has been installed. So now I would basically skip and continue as admin, or you can change the password for the admin for Jenkins over here. So this is the URL. Click on save and finish. Start using. So this is the admin. So basically what I will do, I will click on configuration for manage Jenkins on the left hand side. Basically it's a configuration. Go to the global tool configuration. Okay, so now we need to put the JDK because right now I'm not configuring for Git, so I'm just configuring for the JDK. So here I need to mention Java, and here I need to put the Java home. So click on apply and save. Now what I will do, I would create a job of one project. So I would say hello world. So click on freestyle project and click on OK. So this is where actually it would create a project over here, and the description hello world demo application. For the description, go back to here source code because we have not configured for the git, so leave it as a blank. So now in the build we need to add a builds. So for Windows we have a bash command, for Linux we have shell, so execute shell. So I just simply put over here welcome to my channel game changer and click on apply and click on save. Now then basically what we need to do, we need to click on build now, so it would build it